Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna be in a hurry because, as you can see, it's about to be a very stormy night, so this is the only time I have right now to move the chaser or get it fixed. Here it is. This is my airbag setup. Currently gotta fix this distribution box because it actually got fried. The other night I was trying to drive the car out and I realized that my bags were turning off and on. I could smell like candles, and it's the new fuse I put in is starting to bubble up again. See that? This is my fuse. It is pretty much bubbled up and fried. Yeah, it's shot. So I put the new one on, and this was actually already there, and this is really fried up. Mike from House of Stance has given me this. This is the new distribution box. Should fix the issue with the bags and it should be running back to 100%. But yeah, I'm not sure how this happened, but it's just a faulty distribution box, and hopefully this new one, which is a upgraded version, it's 60 amps and this is 40 amp. Yeah, should be okay. Look how sticky this is. Oh my god. Alright, she's out. It really smoked up, and yeah, it's just failing. I wanted to show you guys. Okay, so this is the old fuse, and then I put in new fuses, and one of them was bubbling up within the next 5 minutes. You can already see that. Yeah, so alright, I gotta put the new one on, and I really hope I can still use these wires, but they look pretty cooked, so I might need to cut and splice again. Oh boy.
That's why I came out stepping. I can't be doing things regular for you. I want the magic to last. I know how time try and ruin things. It get repetitive, got you tempted to doing things. I can't get reckless without you, wouldn't be no music thing. Plus, remember, we made promises way back then, and I still owe that 5-bed house with 2-3 kids. We got a fairy tale plan that's gonna change up the order they sort the mail in. Plus, I know loyalty not as valued as what it was. We not influenced by what they do, cause it's only us.
New box is in. It's pretty sturdy. I've connected the battery. Now we just start the car and see how it goes. Looks like the car is back to normal because it was going 160 psi and wouldn't even go up. The remote shut it down when I was going up and down, so I'm gonna go add load. So now I should reload to 200 psi. I'm gonna add down. Cars are so loud. Compressors are working. It's not fried yet. Sorry, this is just my BTS on checking your airbags. If you guys are ever interested in bagging your car. Okay, I'm on ride height, no issues. Remote didn't shut off. Beautiful. I think we're good. Just want to see compressor should be 2. Okay, it didn't reset, so that's good. Max pressure should be 200 psi. Cool. Alright, that's all I wanted to check. Yep, it's working just fine. Yeah, it's not bubbling up, which is a good sign. Before I throw this away, yeah, that is not meant to be bubbled up like that. Look at that. Yeah, see that? That's the comparison of the new one and a fried one. Felt like an electrician doing this, not gonna lie. This is the airbag setup. If you guys haven't watched the video yet, I'll link it down below. This is basically where the airbags sit, and I have all the boot space at the back just like that. It's nice and neat. The only thing that gives away that I have bags is obviously the tank. I've been pretty pumped to use this tire pump. Linda got this for me Christmas. If you haven't watched the other episode, you just tighten it like that. Alright, I'm actually pretty low, and it's saying I'm on 30 psi and I need 37. It's been a while since I pumped this last at the servo, and all I gotta do is press this. Done. Tires pumped, and I'm at home chilling. That's so cool. Best gift. I didn't properly explain, but the reason why I needed to fix the chaser right now is because I need this out of the driveway. My street is currently getting road work. It's gonna be like whole new roads, and yeah, because we need this car for the weekend, so I can't risk having the car stuck in the driveway if they haven't done the roadworks. I'm not taking any chances. That's the reason why I'm vlogging, because I'm gonna take this car out. I'm gonna see some nice cars. I'll see you then. Guys, I am slipping. This clutch is slipping. That's okay. I don't need to warm up. Alright, let's see. Let's test it out. Am I slipping or not? Woo! Oh, gear 4 just slipped. 4th gear is slipping. Right, we've arrived. Not here yet, but meeting up with Will. What's up, man?
What's up, G?
Well, that is JZX100. I just had a little drive. I'll probably, I hope you guys enjoyed that, but I am slipping 4th gear. Such a shame, but it's alright. We're gonna get a new clutch for this. I don't know what clutch to go for. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know. Ivan's here now. Just having a little pre-meet before we go. Let's go. We're all here. Damn, I'm so sad I'm slipping 4th gear though. That's an expensive replacement. We have arrived, parked up. Finally got those 3 parked up together again. Yeah, as I was saying, it sucks I'm actually slipping gear 4. It was slipping on gear 3 as well. It's just showing early signs I need a new clutch. I feel like I'm in Japan, bro.
Yeah, no,
This looks like a little bit of like Daikoku like from wish.com. So we're at Beating Heart Car Meet. And yeah, I thought I'd take Will out to get some inspiration. Yeah, that Mark II is clean. Yes, I do recognize this Mark II. This is Aiden's old one, and it's so cool to see it here. You're watching this, Aiden? Here it is. The old Mark II. Still got the T's on. Yeah, super clean. I've always wanted a red 180SX. Type X. Has to be Type X.
Black.
But then, sometimes I want midnight purple.
Gotta be black too.
You go black.
Black runs faster.
Once you go black, you never. The last time we did Will's rear tail lights, and he recently changed back to OEM front headlights. It looks so much better in my opinion. Yeah, just keep it OEM.
Well, I got the yellow fogs in as well. Yeah, I guess it's all engine work now. Aesthetics is pretty much done other than like a lip.
A lip kit, yeah. Oh yeah, it's coming along together pretty fine. Some Lexus inspirations. I do like this front bar. Oh, he's got the whole kit. Vertex. It's a grill I want. Damn, oh my god, look at this one. I love the blue, Ganadors, VSXX. Bro, this is a build. Full carbon Ganadors too, that's crazy. VSKFs. I can get brand new ones now.
Yeah, true.
Or I can get a new same wheels, Wedge Kranze. Wedge Kranze is on the IS or what? And then it won't be a daily anymore. This meet is pretty much halfway hangs. If you guys are going, then yeah, it's just a bunch of drifters. And yeah, I was meant to go this year, but I didn't apply on time for car show with the Chaser, so there's actually no point for me to come by. And that's why I came out tonight, just to see the cars. And yeah, most of these cars I've never seen before, but majority of these guys do drift, so it's pretty cool to see.
I like the more street element.
Yeah, this is more like street spec
Yeah.
cars, man. So pretty cool to see. I feel like I'm in Japan.
Yeah, a little bit.
Like
yeah.
we're just seeing
And
cars.
that's the thing. It's just, I don't know. I feel like with all the big shows and stuff, there's no hate towards them, but like a bit too much ego.
Yeah.
But this is like kind of like your backyard hang kind of thing, but a bit elevated.
Yeah, like everyone's just here to build and drive. So yeah, there's a little taste if you guys are going to halfway hangs. Yeah, this is the Sydney scene. Not everyone's out here because they're still prepping up the cars, but basically it. Damn, this is so nice. Ganadors, oh that's a dream. Chaser, that's hella camber. Look at that. It's a mechanic's nightmare to
Get it out of the shop.
that looks gangster. It does feel like Japan. Oh yeah, being hot. This is the mate. This is Kevin. What's up, bro? Appreciate it, man.
Thank you for coming.
All good. Thanks for having us.
Hope you enjoyed the drift cars.
Yeah, man. It was a different scene
Yeah.
as you know, car shows and shit like that. I've never seen these cars, so it's good.
I just wanted to like bring together all my mates who like may not know each other,
Yeah.
put them together, see if they hate each other, see if they like each other.
No, everyone's cool here, man.
Yeah,
So,
dude, it's so nice. I'm glad people came.
Yeah.
Glad you came.
yeah. I finally bought the Chaser out, so yeah, it's good. Have fun at halfway hangs.
Yes, sir.
Take care.
I'll see you there.
Right? See you, man. Being hot. Follow him on Instagram. Yeah, we out. Gonna have some dinner with Will. I feel like I'm in Japan because I'm seeing a Cresta right now. Look, the rears. It's so long. Damn. We don't need to go Japan. We got Japan here. All right, let's go for a drive. Oh yeah, the classic Hungry Jacks. You know what? We're on a budget, so we're gonna have Hungry Jacks for dinner.
Well, maybe went to fuel.
It's no sushi, no fancy stuff, just Hungry Jacks, boys. So how did you get, Will? Get a number 9, number 2, number 10. Oh wow, wow. So I got a double cheese burger in Macca's terms, but this is a double Whopper. What'd you get?
I've got something small.
This is all for you, huh?
There's 3 patties on there.
What is that?
It's a triple angry Whopper. So it's like a Whopper but with like fried onions and I think jalapenos.
And then you got... Bro, are you gonna eat all these nuggets to yourself? Sheesh, you can feed a whole family, man.
Light snack.
Will is laughing for this.
A little zesty, bro.
I like my pink drinks. Oh, you got a whole large one. Oh my god.